to your left. Inbound to Tuscaloosa, the B-52 Stratofortress. B-52 Stratofortress in the first of two flybys for you fine folks here in Tuscaloosa. Since it became operational in 1955, the B-52 has been the main long-range heavy bomber of the Strategic Air Command. It first flew on April 15, 1952. Nearly 750 B-52s were built when production ended in October of 1963. It went right this time. This will be an excellent opportunity in the photo pass as he comes in from your right to left from Barksdale Air Force Base in Louisiana. From your right, the B-52 Stratofortress. That aircraft, ladies and gentlemen, the B-52.